Hey, this is Paul, and I'm going to show you how you can set fruit in a rainstorm. Believe it or not, this set fruit during our tropical depression last week, and we had over 3 inches of rain. And all I used was a silo cup. So let me show you how. So down here, I'm going to repeat the experiment. And what I did is when the flower opened, right before I knew it was going to open that night, I tossed a cup on it like this, as you can see. And I actually saw this from another dragon fruit grower online. And so I put this on the flower last night before it opened. And so imagine it raining right now. All I did last week in the tropical depression is I pulled it off. I used some stored pollen really quickly, and I pollinated it during the rainstorm. And then, drop the cup, I just placed the cup right back there for 24 hours. And that's it. And 100% of the flowers that I did this with, I did it on about 6 or 7, they all set fruit. And the ones that didn't, where I didn't use it and I just pollinated it, they aborted. So try out the silo cup method. It works really easily, especially if you're a grower in the tropical region. And I think it's gonna hopefully improve on your fruit set. So that's what I did, and that's what I experienced in the 3 inches of rain, and it worked really well. So give it a shot. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.